Today start preparation methods of ethers. Look here. The first preparation methods, dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. Look here, all of you. Dehydration, there are how many types here? There are two types. First is a intramolecular dehydration, and second intermolecular dehydration. Look here, simple. Look here first. D means removal. D means loss. Hydration means water. Hydration means water. A removal of water from alcohol molecules is called as a dehydration of alcohol. It's called as a dehydration of alcohol. What is my dehydration? Removal of water. What is my dehydration? A removal of water from alcohol molecules to form, everybody, okay? To form the alkene or to form the ether, okay? This part is different, but this reaction is called as a dehydration of alcohol. Look here, dehydration of alcohol, there are two types of dehydration. One type is a intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular dehydration, remove the water molecules. Look here, simple. Look here, H, C, H, H, C, H, O, H and H. As like example, ethyl alcohol, remove the water from only one molecule. Okay, to form CH2 double bond CH2. Correct? Minus H2. Look here, everybody. A remove the water means here H, C, H, H, C. Okay. Here H, H. Okay, like this. OH. Look here, next here. Plus H. Next O. Okay. Like this C. H, H, C, H, H, H. Look at how many molecules here? More than one molecules. Remove the water molecules. Okay. Also minus H2O. Okay. To formation of CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Look here, all of you. There are two types of dehydration. First is the intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular dehydration. Okay. Remove the water molecules from only one alcohol molecule. Okay. At temperature, everybody, here 443 Kelvin temperature. High temperature. Look here, temperature 413 Kelvin temperature. Intermolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration, remove the water molecules from more than one alcohol molecules to form the corresponding ether. To form a corresponding ether. Look here, at everybody, dehydration of alcohol depending upon temperature. At high temperature, intramolecular dehydration, and low temperature, intermolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration. Correct? Look here, today a new point, everybody here, a preparation of ether. Means preparation of ether by using the intramolecular dehydration or intermolecular dehydration. Look here, intermolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration. Correct? Okay. Okay, simple concept. Simple. Look here, everybody, a dehydration of alcohol. This concept is also clear. There are two types of dehydration. Also, part is also okay. They are also correct. Our concept is clear. But look here, in next example. Example here twice. CH3, CH2OH. When ethyl alcohol on dehydration by using a concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. Correct? At 413 Kelvin temperature. 413 Kelvin temperature. To form CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Name of the compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Correct? Diethyl ether plus H2O. Look here, everybody. There are two states. A first stage, everybody, when ethyl alcohol is reacted with cold concentrated H2SO4, it gives ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Second step, ethyl hydrogen sulfate then react with ethyl alcohol at the temperature 413 Kelvin temperature to form a diethyl ether. Okay, this is two-step reaction. But in your syllabus, okay, only one step, when ethyl alcohol is dehydration by using concentrated H2SO4. Okay, at 413 Kelvin temperature, it gives diethyl ether. Look at dehydration of alcohol. This stage, everybody, it's also called as continuous etherification process. Why is called as a continuous etherification process? Look here, in this reaction, second step regenerate H2SO4. In this reaction, no. Okay, this is no H2SO4, no byproduct H2SO4. But in case of two states, there also second step regenerate H2SO4. Second step regenerated H2SO4 utilize in first step. Utilize again first step. Continuous adding the alcohol and continuous forming the ether. The continuous process is called as continuous etherification process. This part is not included your syllabus. Only part dehydration of alcohol. Look here, a dehydration of alcohol. Okay, dehydration of alcohol, everybody. Intermolecular dehydration of alcohol. Look here, a dehydration of alcohol depending upon temperature. High temperature, intramolecular dehydration. Low temperature, intermolecular dehydration. Intramolecular dehydration of alcohol to form corresponding alkene. Studied the last time in alcohol chapter. Okay. Look here. In this here, intermolecular dehydration to form ether. Okay. Look here. Everybody, the most important point here. The intermolecular dehydration of alcohol, this used for only primary alcohol. Why? In secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, a high temperature to form a dehydration takes place, but alkene is formed. Intramolecular dehydration. Okay, intramolecular dehydration. Actually, at high temperature, any reaction dehydration to form the corresponding alkene. But in case of also a secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, a dehydration to form the corresponding alkene because a high temperature. You know, look here, a high temperature to form a regularly alkene. But in case of a secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, dehydration at high temperature to form the corresponding alkene. Look here, this reaction used for only primary alcohol. But the ether is formed by only simple ether, but not a mixed ether. Only simple ether. Okay, this is the limitation. Of dehydration of alcohol formation of ether. To form only simple ether. Okay, second limitation of in this reaction depending upon temperature. High temperature to form alkene, and low temperature to form ether. Correct? Look here next. Look here, second reaction, everybody. You know second reaction, 1 minute. Compound here, methyl alcohol, CH3OH. Look here, when methyl alcohol on dehydration. Concentrated H2SO4 at temperature 413 Kelvin, okay, to form CH3OCH3. Name of the compound here, methyl alcohol. Okay, methyl alcohol. Look here, dimethyl ether plus H2O. Correct? Look at explanation. Actually, there are how many step reaction? 2 step, but in your syllabus only 1 step. Okay, in examination, will be write everybody a simple one step reaction. Okay, simple one step. Repeat explanation. When methyl alcohol is reacted with cold concentrated H2SO4 at a 413 Kelvin temperature, it gives dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Correct? Yes. Okay. Also limitations. First limitation, this reaction depending upon temperature. Okay, high temperature to form the alkene, a low temperature to form the ether. Second, this reaction used for a preparation of only simple ether. This reaction used for only preparation of simple ether. Next, in case of secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, okay, dehydration at high temperature to form a corresponding alkene. Look here, next limitation. Only simple concept. A mixture of alcohol on dehydration to form a mixture of ether. Okay? Minor compounds. Minor compound. Not a major compounds. Minor. How many? A 3 minor ether is formed. 3 minor ether is formed. Okay, this also part is not including your syllabus. Correct? Only syllabus. Okay, what is this? How will you convert a methyl alcohol into dimethyl ether, or how will you convert a diethyl ether into diethyl ether? IUPAC name of this compound? Methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. Repeat. Methoxymethane. Correct? Yes. Okay. Look here, next part. Dehydration of alcohol. A next part. Mechanism. Okay, mechanism. Look here, mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol at 413 Kelvin. Okay, in SN2 reaction. Okay, proceed SN2, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Bimolecular, a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Look here, unimolecular substitution reaction, only one molecule take part in this reaction. Unimolecular reaction, only one part take part in chemical reaction. In case of SN2 reaction, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction means how many molecules? A 2 molecules take part in chemical reaction. What is this? This is the bimolecular, a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Look here, a mechanism of dehydration of alcohol at a 413 Kelvin temperature. Look here, first stage, everybody, protonation. First stage, protonation. Okay. Look here, a first stage protonation. Everybody, ethyl alcohol. Simple. Like this. Okay, CH3, CH2, oxygen, H. Here, lone pair here, lone pair. Correct? Look here, H plus. H plus means proton. Addition of H plus. Okay, this reaction is called as a protonation. This reaction is called as a protonation. Means product here, like this, CH3. CH2, oxygen, okay, next H, okay, hydrogen, lone pair and plus. What is this? Protonated alcohol. What is this? Protonated alcohol. What is this? Protonated alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, second, nucleophilic attack. Nucleophilic attack, everybody, actually SN2 reaction. Nucleophilic attack, a proceed SN2 reaction. You know, simple here, like this reaction, CH3, CH2, or H. Look here, lone pair, like this, lone pair, plus CH3, CH3, CH2O, H, correct? Yes. Plus charge and the lone pair. Look here, break this bond and oxygen atom attack this carbon. Correct? like this. Look here, simple CH3, CH2, oxygen, H plus lone pair, CH2, CH3 and plus H2O. What is this? This is the complex compound. Okay, what is this? Complex compound. Okay, complex. Look at third step. Look at formation of ether. Which atom is removed in this compound? Here hydrogen. Remove D. H plus proton means deprotonation. Look at deprotonation means removal of H plus ion. Removal of the proton. Deprotonation means removal of the proton. Look here, third step, deprotonation. 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 Okay, first step, protonation. Second step, nucleophilic attack, proceedation to reaction. And second, deprotonation. Look here, everybody, deprotonation. Here, CH3, CH2, oxygen, CH2, CH3. Correct? Yes. Like this. Lone pair. Okay. Plus charge. Correct? Deprotonation. Like this. Okay. Break the H. Break, everybody. Look here. Arrow back. Okay. In front, remove the H minus. But here, head on oxygen and tail the hydrogen atom. Means remove the H plus ions. Remove the H plus ions to form the product. Name of the compound here is CH3, CH2, oxygen, CH2, CH3. Name of the compound diethyl ether. Name of the compound diethyl ether and plus H plus. Look here, normally any mechanism of reaction, a addition of H plus and removal of H plus. Generally correct. Addition of H plus and removal of H plus. First step, everybody, protonation. Second step, nucleophilic attack, proceedation to reaction. And second, deprotonation. Repeat. Protonation, second nucleophilic attack, and third is a deprotonation. Okay, like this, a mechanism of dehydration of alcohol at 413 Kelvin temperature. Correct?